Winjas. This is your girl Maya, and this is a follow along animal flow strength, mobility, stability, core, mobility. I said that already. Workout. You guys, this is one of my favorite workouts. This is right out of the Winja Way, my program. So get ready to work. We are going to be doing 3 rounds together. Let's hit it. Okay, let's do it. First beep, 15 seconds of rest. Next beep is gonna be your 40 seconds of work, and we're gonna hit the squat with the lunge, which is a knee dominant exercise, and this is how I love to train you guys, okay? All body, all movement patterns, all directions. No more talking. We got squat, we got lunge. Squat, lunge. So when I lunge, I just hover my lower knee. I don't drop it down. That allows you to have to use your leg muscles. This is how you maximize using your own body weight, by doing little hacks like that. Oh man, squat, lunge. This is the first round. You can use just your body weight here. I'm gonna show you how to add weight and add little hacks to make it a little bit harder in the subsequent rounds. Whew, take your break. Next exercise, we have traveling crab with the crab reach. So this is advanced. This requires a lot of strength and mobility and body control. Activate crab. Crab crawl, crab reach. Crab crawl, 1 step with 1 reach. Look down at the base hand. So your feet will be staggered as you go up for your reach, but your shoulders will always be stacked over your bottom wrist. If this is too difficult, just maintain crab crawl for me, back and forth. Everyone else that's been following me since day 1, holla. We're gonna be reaching, bro. Yes. Okay. Okay, wipe off that upper lip sweat. We got single leg deadlift coming up. This is a hip dominant movement, plus it's single legged, which will help you with your core strength, core stability. You're gonna hinge at the hip, bring out the back leg as you bring down the nose, tucking the chin. You're gonna feel this all in the back of your legs. Any hip dominant exercise works the back side of our body, which is so important and we should never neglect. You're gonna feel it. I'm feeling it. Okay, yeah, alternating front step coming up. So this one is intense. There's gonna be a lot of hip mobility involved, plus quad strength, plus shoulder strength. So get ready to load the beast in 3, 2. Load the beast, front step, alternating. So we're pushing back into loaded beast, knees never touch, and you're pulling back with the arm in a row. This one exercise is working hip mobility, knee strength, quad stability, knee stability, as well as every time we load the beast, you're stretching your shoulders and your lat muscles, which I'm feeling. Look up every time. Yeah, okay. Next exercise, ape, reach, and open. So more hip mobility, including shoulder mobility and mid-back strength. Get down into your deep ape. Reach and open. Woo! Yo, you're gonna need a lot of ankle stability, core strength for this one, or else you will fall over. I've done all previous tutorials on these Winjas, so make sure you check out the description box. Okay, reach. Open. Oh man, you're gonna feel this in your quad. Oh shoot. Yep. Quads, toes, ankles, shoulders. Yeah. Okay. Last exercise coming up of the first round. We have hollow body, rolls into Superman. So hit your hollow body. Go. Lower back, down into the mat. And roll. Hitting each angle of your body. So you're gonna be on the left. Superman. And then roll to the right. Woo! Control that. You don't want to use momentum here. You want to use your hip flexor strain, abdominal strain. Control everything. This is how ninjas move. Focus, intention, precision. Hit each angle and hold for a few seconds. If you need to regress the movement, so regress the hollow body. Yeah. Oh snap. Okay. That was one round. Okay, we're gonna do it again right away. Yo. Squat with the lunge. If you need to take a break in between rounds, I'm gonna go for it. And guess what? I'm adding a jump on my squat. Cause I'm a gangster. Squat. Yeah, that's right. You don't hear nothing. Wind just style. Yeah. Damn, that jump spiced things up. Okay. If it's too much, drop back into your squat. That's what I like to do. I like to amp it up in the beginning. Oh, damn. And then slow it right down. Okay. Traveling crab with the reach. Activate crab. Okay. Oh! Oh! Ooh, that was a long break. I thought it already went. Okay. Reach. Remember, no premature reaching. Make sure you get this up, up. Squeeze the butt, squeeze the hamstring, and then reach. And look down on your arms. Round two, man, we are feeling it. Yeah. Yo, single leg deadlift. I'm gonna show you how to amp it up a bit if the regular body weight version was too easy for you. Okay, 3, 2. So, do your hinge, add a little hop before you switch legs. That really amps up the need for stability. This trains your ankles, your feet, your core. All of it requires balance, stability, strength, focus. If you're here, all good, man. Stay here and be in it to win it. All levels is freaking all good, man. You are here with me, and that is a win in of itself. Ninja style. Yeah, front step. Let's go. Okay. Get ready to load that beast in 2, 1. Push back, explode. Push back, explode. This movement is key and the foundation if you want to learn how to do things like that. And like this. Nail this move first, the front step. Woo. Yo. Oh man, that messed me up. Look, these. See how my knees never drop in the loaded beast. Oh, damn. Okay, okay. It's working, guys, it's working. We got the ape reach with the open. I'm gonna show it to you from this angle. Can't breathe. Transfer, whoop, transfer onto the toes. Reach forward, open, squeezing the pencil in between your mid-back. Reach. It's the transfer to the toe. That's the tricky part. One more. Oh man. Okay. Okay, round two's coming to a close real quick. Hit your hollow body. Okay. If you need to, regress the movement and bend the knees. Okay, let's go. Make sure that lower back, that's the number one criteria. The lower back is flat. Hit it. Woo. Hit it and hold it. And roll with it. Oh man. I am feeling it. Woo. Reach. This one move trains every single core muscle. Holy cow. Yes, Saved by the Bell. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, yo. Round three coming. We're up. Last round, best set. Last set, best set. Let's go. I'm gonna hit some dumbbells because I'm feeling gangsta. Okay, squat, lunge, lunge. If you want, if you're more comfortable with a reverse lunge, do you, boo. Do what works for you. Let's do some of that right now. Oftentimes, we have a preference to a certain reverse or forward lunge. It doesn't matter, remember? Because any lunge is a knee dominant exercise. So, you know you're hitting the movement pattern. You're golden. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Last crab with the reach. Let's go. You guys, it's hot up in here. Let's work, right? Crawl, reach. Reach. Stay with me. Almost there. Keep your belly into the spine. Squeeze your butt as you reach. Always check yourself with the stacking. That is most important. This is your foundation. Yes. Single leg deadlift. I'm taking out the hop and I'm adding the weights. You find your level. Okay, so it's the same thing. But by adding the weight, you're gonna increase more pressure to the hamstrings, the glutes, plus the need to engage the core. Woo! So, your dumbbell should be skimming your shins. Oh my goodness. You should feel this in your butt, in your lower back, in the back of your legs, in the back of your calves. Oh. 5 seconds. Oh, yeah. Okay. Get ready. We got front step. Oh, damn. Let's switch it up. I'm gonna go this way. Low back beast. Explode out. Pull back beyond. Come on. Last set. Best set. Give it to me. Give me your all. Drop that leg out. Drop into that deep lunge. Pull. Look up as you pull. open. Let's go. When you work hard, when you dig deep, you are gonna feel so proud of yourself. So stay with me. We have 2 more exercises left. Oh man, I need to head that. Come on. I'm feeling the burn. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's how we work hard, man. You should be feeling it at the end of those 40 seconds. Get ready, hollow body rolls. I'm gonna regress it this round because I'm losing my core. So, know when to pull it back. No ego here. Always, guys. When you regress, you're gonna do things even better than when you try to fight through with bad form. Woo, woo. Reach up. Because once you regress, you're gonna get stronger again to do the harder version. Oh, yes! Yes! Drop the mic. Another full body workout in the works. Oh man, you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I am legit dripping balls. Oh, that's how it's done. That's how we like to work out. In and out, less than 30 minutes with the warm up and the cool down. You're gonna have a totally balanced workout with mobility, with strength, with body control and awareness. Yeah. Guys, comment and let me know how you did. Give me a rating, 1 to 10, how difficult this workout. I'm serious. It was like a solid 7 for me because I'm a wreck right now. So it is all good in the hood. Check out the description box for important links. If you like the way I train, make sure you check out the Win Joy, my online program. This is taken directly out of it. And I'll see you guys next time.